Forget everything you thought you knew about generative AI models, because just hours ago, OpenAI dropped a bombshell. Sora 2 is here. And it's not just an update, it's a revolution. While the world was sleeping, OpenAI unleashed the next dope generation of its text-to-video model. Sora 2 is now live, and it's already breaking the internet. So what's the big deal? First off, videos are no longer a silent film. Sora 2 generates video with synchronized realistic audio. We're talking dialogue that actually syncs with lip movements, immersive sound effects, and ambient background noise. And get this, OpenAI also launched a new dedicated iOS app for Sora, invited only in the US or Canada. It's a social media style platform where you can create, share, and remix AI videos on the fly. But the craziest new feature? Cameos. You can now insert real people, including yourself and your friends, into AI-generated scenes. The model captures their likeness and seamlessly integrates them into the video. Now let's get to the big question. How does this stack up against Google's powerhouse, Veo 3? Foremost, Veo 3 has been the king of high-fidelity AI videos, with its dope audio generation and cinematic quality. But Sora 2 isn't just playing catch-up, it's changing the game. While Veo 3 mastered realistic soundscapes, Sora 2 is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, with complex physics and motion. OpenAI is boasting about Sora 2's ability to handle things that were possibly impossible for AI video models. Think complex gymnastic routines, the subtle dynamics of a paddleboard on water,
Dude, you alright?
or even a cat clinging to someone doing a triple axel. The level of physical accuracy is simply unprecedented, and while Veo 3 offers incredible realism, early reports suggest Sora 2 has a creative edge in interpreting narrative prompts and generating highly stylized imaginative content. So let's break it down. Why is Sora 2 a potential Veo 3 killer? 1. The social ecosystem. The dedicated app creates a community and a platform for viral content, moving AI video from a tool to a social experience. 2. The Cameo feature. This is a game changer for personalized content, and the level of user interaction Veo 3 just doesn't have. 3. Unmatched physics and motion. Sora 2's understanding of real-world physics allows for more dynamic and believable action sequences. This isn't just about cool videos. The release of Sora 2 is a major leap forward in generative AI. We're talking about the future of entertainment, marketing, and even personal communication. The ability to create and share such high-quality, personalized video content on a dedicated platform could reshape the social media landscape as we know it. The AI video war just got a whole lot interesting. OpenAI has thrown down the gauntlet, and Sora 2 is leading the charge. The line between reality and generation has never been blurrier. The future of video is here, and it's happening right now. Subscribe to Tech for more tech early reports like this one.